ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for. Please welcome Jon to the stage.
Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA turns data into intelligence to create efficiencies and deliver personal customer experiences. By 2050, 2 out of every 3 people on the planet will live in a city.
Great question, Juliet, and it's great to be on air with you. Thank you for the opportunity. And so there's a risk to the public with a move like this as well.
Imagine if every clothing store in the world had the perfect jacket for you in just the right size. As my keynote will make clear, I'll boost your profits this year. And then later, we can all have a beer. Because this is the AI Summit. Yes, yes. Who's here for AI? Even if AI does become our overlord at some point in our lifetimes, between now and then, my friend, there will be great commercial opportunities. What are the tools and techniques today that you're most excited about?
That is a good question.
Abundant, super cheap, super intelligence. We can have high quality nutrition for everyone on the planet. We can have extended lifespans, high quality education in the local language for everyone who wants to learn it. What if smarter technology could make even the biggest city feel like a small town? Welcome to AI Meets World. I'm here with Rose Panaya, who is a technical expert in healthcare solutions for AT&T. Welcome to another episode of the SuperDataScience podcast. I'm your host, Jon Krohn. Bo Warren here, the brewer of this Kronenborg lager. Amazing. That's it. That's all of the theory for differential calculus. I've got one final exercise for you.